Give me the boy. He can be in the video.
He really wants to be with you.
Yes, yes you can. Yes you can. Hey, it's Derek Johnson, JVI Secret Gardens. Here we are with part 2 of the Airstream. So here we are, we're in the display area. We started demoing this morning. John's over there, he's draining the pond. We got the fish out. Now we have them in our fish tank. So we're removing plants. We're gonna demo this whole thing. And then we got the Airstream all the way over there. So she's hooked up and we got a gate put in. So we're gonna parallel park this thing back over here. My idea is to get it snug back in here. This gets demoed out. I'm hoping to keep the Japanese maple in the same spot. So just imagine the Airstream is now here. This pond's getting completely demoed. We're gonna build another pond right in front of it. And then that guy's probably gonna stay. We got all kinds of madness going on. I don't know. So stay tuned, see what's gonna happen next. See you soon. We got it in place. That was quite the undertaking to get this thing where it needs to go. So you can see we were over there from the previous video. Now we're here and open up the windows. It's a beautiful day today. Travis, let's roll the awning out.
All right.
Pull this bad boy out. That ought to hold. That should be fine, right? So I think we're gonna take everything out. We're gonna bring those blue fish tanks that we got over there. So when we retail fish, that'll be happening. They'll go along here. So this becomes our aquatic center as well. And now we just need to come up with some sort of pond design. Waterfall over there, I guess. Somewhere in that vicinity. So what's 14? Let's pull number after 13. So that's 14. And if we're gonna do a little stream on it, looks like come back, well, are we gonna do a patio? We're gonna do a patio. So, yeah. Well, that's the thing about the patio. So we put in the right size patio, and this is where we're gonna have those events in the evenings, where have a 3-piece on here, local artists come in and play. This is the backdrop. We do a PA. John can do some singing, do a little performance. So it needs to go farther. So maybe we need to mark out the patio first. 14 by 14. Get that on camera?
Nice throw, Joe Montana.
So that's 10 if we butt right up to the patio, 14 that way. That's pond. And there's waterfall. Then we got to get something to hide all our parking area. You know what they make? They make, you can get those printed. You can have any image you want put on those things. So it could be an image of you, like a flamingo. John, flamingo. He's already got the hat. That's the... So I want this to be like, it's as if this is somebody's house and they come in, they check it out, and this is their patio. They can visualize the whole thing and then enjoy the pond. So this is really, yeah, this makes sense. So this is the backdrop. Do you want to?
Party all the time, party all the time, party all the time.
So our excavation is going to go outside of the 14 by 14, which is fine. So it's not just matchy-matchy. We're going to go 15-ish. Stupid plane. So over here, when planes are going over, we just talk really loud. So your excavation is going to go 15 that way, so we're at 14, so 15. And here is actually going to go 11, right? So it's actually going to go another foot to 2 feet over that way, unless we get into the patio. The patio could be more narrow. Do you want to build the patio first and then pull off of the patio?
Are you trying to drop that other step, or are you trying to have that on the patio?
We could do, I think it'd be cool to do some sort of natural step, so wherever the patio lies, the steps can come off of the patio, and the patio can come up to the steps.
So the patio's gonna be
The patio?
You gotta play out this. That's your concept. It's all based on that step. You gotta come down 7 inches, 7 and have your surface in your patio. So I honestly think
Well, if we pull out that other step, it's going to be, that would be right at 7 inches.
you wanna put a live step underneath it.
Well, that and or we just pull the other step that's in there out.
That's about 2.25,
So we could just put a live step there, would be cool. A live step, if you don't know what we're referring to, we'll take a natural stone and position in there and it'll come right off the patio, right onto the steps. It'll be live. Okay, so we're gonna build this and then we'll deal with that. Yeah, we're not doing astroturf because we're doing a patio. That's not gonna work.
I do like this. This is the patio. Pleasing. Feels really nice. Feng shui inside of it.
Mm-hmm.
You were just talking kind of like finally like dawned on me like this vision of what you want back here is basically a live shopping place.
Exactly.
And I think astroturf would take away.
All right, so there you go. We got a lot more to do. Stay tuned. You'll see the rest of the project. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next time.